hiding away in the night of hate, leaving our ties to the pink parade. And the voices are wondering why we'd escape in the night, why we'd abandon the light to convey what delivers the left from the right, what delivers the wrong from the rest. The rest is a red blood chest of the times we've tried. Think of all we've done, flying away like a nightingale, leading the thunder, escaping the gale. But you know it's not always your turn to clog up the fire and burn. This coming of age has erased all the fortunes and solemnly watched you learn, in the hope of returning fate. The rivers are breeding hate from the boat you're on. Pink parade, the pink parade, the pink parade, the pink parade is gone. All we've done, the flowery torches, they're covered in sage, these blossoming bunches for men in Spain, who are often afraid of a ghost that marches alone on this coast, whose fathers attributed grief to the precious children of Adam and Eve that revolve in the passing tides. I asked them to stay, but they won't, then they go outside. Think of all